Hello, this is Dr. Lukes, and this is the solution to the written portion of Exam 2. First, we'll look at page 1. And in the first question, we just wanted to look and see if these products were possible, and most of us got this right. So A is a 3 by 2 matrix, B is also 3 by 2, and C is 2 by 3. That's a 2. Okay. And so if you're looking at AB, you have a 3 by 2 by a 3 by 2. And the rule is that the middle numbers there need to be the same, so this one is not possible. But AC is 3 by 2 times 2 by 3, and those do match, and so the answer will be a 3 by 3. And CB is a 2 by 3 times a 3 by 2. Again, those match, and the answer will be a 2 by 2. If you want to look at A minus B, you just do the subtraction term by term. And so in this case, 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Let's see, negative 5, 3, 0, negative 2, and 5. For number 2, I just asked you to show that these are inverse matrices. Some of you tried to or did successfully take one and create the inverse. Probably the faster way would just simply be to look at the product D times E or E times D, either way. And so that would be negative 1 times 3 plus negative 2 times negative 2, 2 times 3 plus negative 2 times 3. Having a hard time writing this morning. Negative 2 times 2 plus 3 times negative 1. And 2 times 2, 3 plus 3 times negative 1. And this is indeed 1, 0, 0, 1. And so, yes, these are inverses. If you had the other version of the exam, then your answers will be only slightly changed. So in this case, A is going to be 3 by 2, B is 2 by 3, and so you get an answer that is 3 by 3, and it's possible. AC is 3 by 2 times 3 by 2, which is impossible. And B times A is 2 by 3 times 3 by 2, which is a 2 by 2, which is possible. In this case, I asked for A minus C, and your numbers should have been negative 4, negative 5, 2, 3, 2, and minus 4. Again, on this one, you could have done this multiple ways, but if you multiply D times E, 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 times 2 is 4, and you don't even need to do any more. I can tell you that's a 7. So these are not inverses. Now, in particular, this, if you do the multiplication all the way, you get 7, 12, 0, 1.